Authors, Van feels her heart skip. The world outside is chaos, yet here, in this quiet, flooded office, time seems to slow. Van whispers almost to herself, maybe this is the universe way of making me face it. Author Jungkook leans against the desk near her, careful to maintain a respectful distance but close enough that she feels his presence. Authors Jungkook glanced at Ryan, his voice calm but teasing. Jungkook, coffee, it'll warm you up. Authors Ryan hesitate for a moment, then nods. They walk together to the kitchen. The storm outside rakes, rain hammering against the glass window, hollowing through the city. Authors Jungkook start preparing coffee. Steam rises from the cup, mingling with the scent of rain and the faint aroma of chocolate from the office snacks. Suddenly the lights flickers, then go out completely. Darkness slows the room. Jungkook low steady. Wine don't move. I don't want you to tripping or hurting yourself. Authors Wine fumbles for her phone and switches on the flashlight. The soft glow illuminates the kitchen. Author, she finds some candles in a drawer and lights them one by one. The, the flickering flames throw soft shadows across the wall, turning the stormy night into a warm, intimate cocoon. Jungkook sets the coffee down. They both sit at the kitchen table, each with a cup in hand, facing each other, silence. Thus, Jungkook places the coffee in front of Ryan. The lights are out, only candlelight flickers. Jungkook, here's drink. Don't let the storm bother you. Authors, Ryan takes a slow sip, eyes on the window. The rain pounds hard. Ryan, softly almost to herself, I didn't think it could feel this quite safe. Authors, Jungkook watches her, says nothing. Instead, he reaches out and adjusts a candle so it won't flicker out. Authors, their hand brush. Ryan glances at him, still, then doesn't move away. Ryan, why am I noticing him like this? Authors, Jungkook lifts his cup, smiles faintly. Jungkook, to storms, bad weather and good company. Authors, Ryan laugh quietly. The first real life laugh in days. The storm outside continues. But here, at this small table, the distance between them shrinks without a word. Authors, the next morning, Ryan enters the office as usual, fresh, calm, focused. She places her bag on the desk and turns on her laptop. She looks around unconsciously. Jungkook's cabin door is closed. Authors, 1 hour passes, then two. It's afternoon now. Still, no sign of Jungkook. Van frowns slightly, pretending not to care. She goes back to work. Near the pantry, two employees are talking quietly. Worker 1, curious. Where is Jungkook sir today? I have not seen him since morning. Worker 2, oh, you didn't hear? Hana is here today. Worker 1, oh, she's come. Worker 2, yeah, after so many days, of course, Jungkook sir will be busy. Author's Van freezes for a second. Her fingers stops moving on the keyboard. She didn't turn around. She didn't ask anything, but the name stays in her head. Authors Hana. Van exhales slowly and continues typing, forcing herself to focus. Van thinking, it shouldn't matter to me. Authors Van keeps trying. Her screen blurs for a second. She blinks, focuses again. Suddenly, voices rise near the entrance. Laughter not loud, not fake, comfortable. Van's fingers slow down. She looks up. Jungkook walks in. Hana is beside him. They walk together, mid laugh, easy, familiar. Authors Hannah says something softly, Jungkook laughs openly. Wine has never seen that laugh at work. They stop near the center. Jungkook is smiling loud enough. Everyone 1 minute. The office quiets. Hannah steps forward, confident. Hannah. So tomorrow is my birthday. Authors Some people clap lightly. Hannah. We are keeping a small party in the evening. I really hope all of you will come. She smiles warmly. Hannah, please don't miss it. It would be mean a lot to me. Jungkook looks at her. Jungkook, yeah, make sure you all come. His tone is different, personal. Vine's chest tightens. She looks back at her screen. She has not typed a single word. Around her, people are smiling, whispering. Employee. Of course we will come. Another employee. Happy birthday in advance, Hannah. Hannah eyes scan the room. They stop on Vine for a second. Hannah smiles at her. Hannah. Vine you will come to, right? Authors. Everyone looks at Vine now. Jungkook turns, their eyes meet just for a moment. Vine swallows. Vine. If I am free, Hannah nods, still smiling. Hannah, I hope you are. Author. She turns away. Jungkook says nothing. He doesn't insist. That hurts more than a walk together. His cabin together. The glass door closes inside. They are still talking, laughing. Vine stares at the closed door. Authors. Her jaw tightens. Vine. It really shouldn't matter. Authors, but her hands are shaking now and she hates herself for noticing how naturally Jungkook smiled with her. For the first time, jealousy isn't loud, it's quiet and it sits heavy in Vian's chest. Authors, evening. Vian stands in her room facing the mirror. She adjusts her dress slowly. A red classy dress, simple, elegant, confident. She looks at her reflection. For a long moment, Vine to herself, I really don't want to go. Authors, her phone's buzz on the bed. Jimmy message. You are coming, no excuses. Vine. Why are you so stubborn, Jimmy? Author, she smoothed the fabric near her waist, strengthens her shoulder. Authors, not because she want to impress anyone, but because she refused to look weak. Vine, I'm not going for him. I'm going for myself. Authors, another message pops up. I'm outside, hurry. Authors, Vine grabs her bag, takes one last look at the mirror. The girl staring back at her looks calm. She turns off the lights and walks out. Authors, the party hall is alive. Music is playing. Lights are warm. People are laughing, dancing, enjoying. Vine enters quietly. For a moment she just stands there, taking it all in. Then her eyes move and stop Jungkook, Hannah, standing together near the center, smiling, talking. Authors, this is their party, so avoiding them is impossible. Vine takes a slow breath, strengthens her posture. She walks towards them. Hannah notices her first. Hannah. Vine, you came? Author. Vine hands her the gift and flowers. Vine, polite, calm. Happy birthday, Hannah. I hope you have a great evening. Authors. Hannah looks genuinely pleased. Hannah, thank you so much. That's really so sweet of you. Authors. Vine smiles slightly. She does not look at Jungkook, not even once. She steps back after wishing. Vine, enjoy the party. Author. And she turns to leave. Jungkook hasn't said a word. He is just looking at her, the red dress, the confidence, the way she walked in like she belongs everywhere. She ignored him completely and somehow that hits harder than anything else. Jungkook watches her disappear into the crowd. For the first time that evening, he forgets whose party is it. Authors. Van moves towards the drink counter. She asks for a mocktail, takes a slow sip. She feels eyes on her, but she ignores it. Then, stranger, red really suits you. Authors, Van looks up, a tall man, well dressed up, easy smile. Van, polite, neutral. Thank you. Author, she turns back to her drink, but he doesn't leave. Stranger, I seen you at the office sometimes. Didn't know you work with Jungkook. Author's Van notes once. Van, yes. Author, short answer, clear boundary. He cuckles slightly. Stranger, you are very quiet. That usually means dangerous. Author's Van finally looks at him properly. Van, or uninterested. Authors, that shuts him up for a half a second, then he smiles wider. Stranger, fair enough, but can I at least steal one dance? Authors, Van hesitates. She looks around. Music is slow now. People are dancing. Authors, her eyes move and stop Jungkook standing across the hall, watching, not angry, not smiling, just tense. Van looks back at the man in front of her. Van, one dance. Authors, she places her glass down. The man smiles surprised. He offers his hand. Van takes it as they walk towards the dance floor. Jungkook's jaw tightens. His grip around his glass hardens. Authors, across the hall, Hana slips her hand into Jungkook's. Hana, dance with me. It's my party. Jungkook notes. He lets her pull him to the dance floor. They start dancing, smiling on the surface, but both of them are distracted. Authors, Hana keeps glancing at Van. Jungkook doesn't even try to hide it. Van is dancing with the stranger. Calm face, controlled step. Then the stranger hands moves too low, too familiar. Van stims instantly. Before she can react, a strong hand grabs her wrist. She is pulled back, hard, sudden. Authors, her back hits a solid chest. Jungkook, the music doesn't stop, but everything else does. Jungkook's arms wraps around her waist. Firm, protective, too close. He doesn't look at the stranger, not even once. Jungkook, she's not interested. Authors, the stranger raises his hand slightly. Stranger, awkward. Relax, ma'am, I didn't mean. Authors, Jungkook steps closer, ends the conversation. Without words, the man backs off. Now it's just them. Jungkook and Van dancing, bodies close, breathing uneven. Van tries to pull back. Van, Jungkook. Authors, his grip tightens slightly, not painful, just enough to stop her. Jungkook, voice low, rough. Don't. Author, she looks up at